So I recently bought a new board game, the Red Cathedral. It's quite fun. But it comes with lots of bits, lots of little bitty bits. So I made a box to hold all the bits. So it's 3D printed, 2 parts, lid, fits nicely, nice rounded corners, and 1 compartment for each of the resources in the game. And this just goes on the table next to the board. And it speeds up setup a lot because you don't have to open up 100 little Ziploc baggies to dump out each ingredient. And the little compartments have rounded bottoms, so when you're scooping out the last piece it doesn't get wedged in a corner. And it makes packing it away easy too. You just pop the lid on, chuck it in the box. One minor snafu is when I was measuring the inside dimensions of the box to make sure that this would fit, I didn't take into account the thickness of the manual. So when you put it all together, it's like 2 millimeters too thick for the lid to fit on properly, but that's far from the end of the world. There are a few other bits and bobs that come in the box. I'm thinking of making another compartment, another organisation tray thingo that goes on this side, but that's sort of less critical. But yeah, works nice. The design's up on GitHub. I'll put it on Thingiverse as well. Bye bye.